everybody. This is Sean C. Harrison on this wonderful yet bleak Sunday afternoon. You know, an easygoing day where I'm taking a little time out to do a little vocal work. I'm with my friend, Miss Hendricks, Jacqueline Hendricks, and we have been discussing a number of things, but I felt like my voice was clearing a little. As you know, medications cause me not to be able to sing sometimes, but I remember this classic from Neil Diamond and Barbra Streisand together that I had in my home on an album that my father bought for Neil Diamond. And I just love the way the song actually plays out, and I'm going to do my best, to give you a rendition. So here goes. You don't bring me flowers. You don't bring me flowers. You don't sing me love songs. You hardly talk to me anymore when I come through the door at the end of the day. I remember when you couldn't wait to love me. You used to hate to leave me. Now after loving me late at night, well, it's good for you, baby. You're feeling alright. Well, if you just roll over and turn out the light. You don't bring me flowers anymore. Ooh, ooh. It used to be so natural, it used to be talk about forever. Used to be don't count anymore. They just lay on the floor till we sweep them away. Baby, I remember everything you taught me. I learned how to laugh, and I learned how to cry. Where you think I would learn how to tell you goodbye? Oh, you don't bring me flowers. You don't sing me love songs. You don't bring me flowers anymore. Oh yeah, used to be so natural, used to be talked about forever. Used to be don't count anymore. They just lay on the floor till we sweep them away. Baby, I remember everything you taught me. I learned how to laugh, and I learned how to cry. Well, you think by now I would learn how to lie, and you think I would learn how. You think I would learn how to tell you goodbye. Oh, you don't bring me flowers. You don't sing me love songs. You don't bring me flowers anymore.